Welcome to the Daily Review. This is Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading. And today is June 6, 2024, and today is Thursday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, NVIDIA does it, pushes even higher to record highs, bringing the rest of the markets higher as well. Now looking at today's major economic events. So we start out the day at 2:15 South African time out of the European Union. The ECB, European Central Bank, will have a rate statement, super important number. Now looking at those Forex symbols, we watched the Turkish Lira give you a great, amazing fade opportunity yesterday, and the euro quiet before the storm. Now looking at the indices, the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ both rally. Looking at commodities, gold gets that bounce, and is it bottoming out? That's the question we answered yesterday. And now looking at the stocks, the tech stocks were the ones that rallied higher. And lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin sitting there at its resistance. Is it going to break out higher? So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So all is quiet before the storm. Euro USD on its resistance level. This is what we're looking at right now. So keep this in mind. We've got our levels. We know what they are. Just be aware of them because we may spike later today around 2:15 South African time. So be aware of it. Now looking at the Turkish Lira, giving you a fantastic opportunity yesterday. It was just a giveaway. Okay, and here it is. We had that spike up to all-time record highs. And then the fade move happened right afterwards. And just as quick, almost, okay, just in a day's trading, but an easy $1,000 on $300 even of trading. Okay, that's all it was. All right, this is really very, very simple. It was an easy opportunity for those who took advantage of it. Now, jumping into commodities, let's take a look at gold. Gold pushing higher here, which is very nice as that is breaking out of that range, but it's correcting itself right now. But oil bounced yesterday from $72 to $74 right now. That's a nice two-day bounce. That's $2. Pretty good after pretty decent sell-off from oil. Okay, this is really important. Now looking at natural gas, also trading in its upper range. Okay, that's also coming back a little bit, but retracing right now. Natural gas is really a great trade, so keep this on the forum. Now looking at the US markets, let's take a look at the NASDAQ because that's the one. Look at it, pushing higher to new all-time record highs. Oh my gosh. At this morning, we're pushing to the NASDAQ to all-time record highs. If you look at the Dow Jones, it's off, okay, by 1,200 points, but it's still, bouncing, didn't move higher. So we may see a rotation in the market again, okay? Now, what took us higher? Let's take a look at it. NVIDIA, look at that. Phew, $1,200, unbelievable. I mean, between the time remember, it was trading at 940 right before last week, right before it came out with those quarterly earning reports, and it's even a week and a half ago on that Friday, and look at it. I mean, it's just gone orbital, $300 since then. So this is amazing, and it's still going higher. Okay, now what did it do? It brought the rest of the market higher. Meta, which was having a really hard time, trading in a range, popped up higher at 494. Also, Microsoft did the same thing. Came back, right? Amazing comeback. 423, we're off only $10 by our all-time record highs. Very, very strong here on the board, okay? Amazon also pushes higher, okay? All the tech stocks that looked really, really weak, now all of a sudden it's just strong out of nowhere, okay? So this is what this type of market does for you when you have a stock and you have an industry that is just exploding, AI namely, okay? And this is going to really show us some tremendous potential there. Now lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin on that resistance, okay? Can't break out higher, at least for now. But keep this on the radar because if it pops out higher, this is what you want to be in for sure, okay? So not even a question. So take a look at it. Keep it on the radar. Also, a lot of activity for this time of the year. So lots of opportunities. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.